Alright, here it is. This is just a really quick look at the PVC canoe cart that I made. Found some instructions on YouTube and a little playing around. I made it pretty well, actually. All it is basically is the PVC pipe. It was literally like K'NEX for adults. It was pretty easy. I had to learn how to cut it, which was also super easy. And then 2 tractor tires. The axle is a 5/8 inch threaded rod. Also had to learn how to cut that. Just held on by a couple of, hex bolts, or nuts actually. And then I just put some PVC pipe insulator on top. That's just to balance it. So if I want to carry it upright with my cooler and everything, in the canoe, I can actually just like fit it between these 2 things right here, the top. And then if I had to flip it upside down, basically I can flip it upside down and then the side wings will carry it. Only reason I could ever see having to do that is if I have to load it on top of my car by myself. Who knows, stranger things have happened, at least it's there. Basically, I think the whole project cost me less than 30 bucks, and I'm about to strap it up and, without the help of an assistant, at least give you an idea of how it rolls. So there we go. That's the new PVC pipe canoe cart.